Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. So in this video I am going to build Claymorphism login design as you can see here. So if you want to know more about Claymorphism UI design, you can read these articles. Here you can learn all about Claymorphism UI design. Go and check it out, Hype for Academy, and you can read everything you want to know about Claymorphism user interface. So let's jump into our code editor. So as you can see, I have already created a starter file. As always, I have two files here, index.html and a style.css, nothing more. And here we can see I have linked Google font called is Lato, and here is a style file linked. And here we can see there are some style and some different type of variable and different set of color. And now I am going to start from here. So first let's see our login design first. So here we can see there is a one white container. That container is containing all the form elements. So first I am going to take one form and class name is also form. Let's remove action from here, and here we will write our elements here. So first I am going to take one heading and give the heading class, and here login here. And now I am going to take one container input group, and then it will contain one label and and it will contain one input and class name is input, and give id username. And now I copy this container and paste here and change username to password, and here username to password, and class input exactly same. And let's see here. Now let's take another container button group, and it will contain one button and give class name button login, and here login. And now take another anchor tag, and here simply write forget password. And now I am going to give class name button forget password, and let's give some style and make it like this login page. So just go in a style file, and here we need to write. So just go here, and here I want to make our form white. So first select form and give width 24 rand, and here I want background color white. Now we can see. So as you can see here, I have already declared a variable, so I am going to use that variable. So color white. Now I am going to give some padding here, 4 RAM and 3 RAM. Now I am going to make flex display flex and flex direction column, and here gap 1.5 RAM. Now as you can see, it is looking great. And here I missed label, so I am just here, and here name username, and here we want just password. And now go here, and now I am going to style this text first. So just select heading And let's reduce the font size 1.8, right? And text align center. Now it's looking great. And let's select the label, and here we need to write font size 1.2 rem and make it display block now. And here just add margin bottom 0.5 rem, and now give color, as you can see, where color 100. Now it's looking great. And let's select the input element, so input, and make it display block. So now it's great, and width 100%. Now it's looking great. It's occupying all width of this container. And then font family, inherit, and font size 1.2 rem and padding 1.5 rem and border 1 pixel, solid, where color 200, and here we want color where 100, and give border radius 4 pixel. Now it's looking great, but when we focus on input, it highlight black outline. So we remove this outline and make it like this outline. As you can see, here is a purple outline. So just go and select and write outline and 1 pixel, solid, and where color 300. And now we can see here it's looking great. Alright, and then move to this button, and let's design the login button. So first we need to select button dash login, and here we need to add padding. So I am going to give 0.8 rem and 2 rem left right, and border non and background color where and color 200. And now give some rounded corner, so border radius 4 and here 4 pixel. Now it's looking great, and let's increase the border radius. So I am going to give 1 rem. Now it's looking quite better, and give color and color where color white, and now increase the font size 1.1 rem. Yeah, it's looking great. Let's select the button group. So dot button group, here just make it display flex and define content space between. Now and align item center. Now it's in center, as you can see. Let's select this forget button. Just go here and just copy this class name and select, and here we need to, so here text decoration none, and let's add hover effect on it button, and here hover and just change color where color 100. And now we can see when it hover it change the color, and here we can see also here on the button has a little bit hover effect, and let's make it here. So just go and select the button login and hover, and here background color where color 100. Now we can see it's looking great. let's make this space like this one. As you can see, here is some round shape and here is also. So let's make it that one. So go, here is our form, and here just need to add border radius, and border radius we need to write 50% divided by 10%. I hope it will look nice, and it's looking great. And just we need to create this Claymorphism effect. It is very simple. Just add one properties box shadow, and here just add some box shadow. I am going to add this one and RGBA, and here I want 3 and 111 and 211 and 0.5, and here add another box shadow. So I use insert. I want inside of form element, so I am using insert and 0 and minus 0.5 rem and 1 rem and 0 and use var triple 200, and now we can see it's looking like this one, and here is working fine as you can see when writing. And now we can see here we need to change of this color, so go and here we need to change color and fire and color 300, and now we can see and write is great. And then unfocus on this input, and it's light purple and it's looking great. But here I missed type of the input, so just go and change the type of input password, and now we can write here the brave coders, and here I want password coders. Now it's looking great. So let's take a look in big picture, and now here is our login page, and I hope you understood this video. I will meet you in next one, and stay safe.